Hey guys, my name's Mike, and I'm here to tell you what you missed at NAB 2019 from Teradek. So the big news is Bolt 4K, and Bolt 4K is the industry's first zero-delay 4K uncompressed wireless video transmitter. That's a 10-bit 422 wireless video transmission with zero latency up to 1,500 feet. It supports PQ, HLG, and HDR10 standards. It's got a 12G SDI input and output, as well as HDMI inputs and outputs. This thing mounts seamlessly on a camera and has all sorts of software features, including a dedicated iOS application that allows you to check out the 5 gigahertz frequency and manually select your channel. You can go ahead and look at your range health and make sure that you're placing these things in the appropriate spots. You can even pair your devices right from the app instead of having to connect it to a different PC or something else. These devices will begin shipping in June, and they'll start at $4,000 for the 750-fit version and $8,000 for the 1,500-fit version. Another one of our big announcements here is the Teradek Ace 500, the most budget-friendly zero-delay wireless video system on the market. What this does is it goes up to 500 feet at less than 1 millisecond of delay. It's an HDMI input and output, but one of the greatest things about this system is not only is that $1,000 for the kit, it integrates with the entire Bolt ecosystem. That means that the Ace 500 will work with a Bolt 500 receiver, transmitter, and the Sidekick 2 receiver, in addition to any of the small HD focus Bolt monitors, whether they're transmitters or receivers. Another awesome announcement we have here at NAB 2019 are several new additions to our Teradek RT wireless follow focus systems. What I've got here is the Teradek RT Control 3, our brand new 3-axis wireless controller. Up here we've got the Teradek RT MDRX, which is our new 3-axis smart receiver, and of course the super speed, high torque, super silent Motor X motors. What makes these systems unique is not only are they very affordable, but also a top-notch performer. They offer a couple of unique things that we didn't offer in previous generations. This includes lens mapping, which is built into the Control 3, and as an option on the Control 1, we've got Teradek RT wireless follow focus lens data overlays on top of small HD monitors. We've got a CineTape integration on the serial port of the MDRX. And finally, we've got a brand new iOS application that integrates with these systems so you can save your settings and share it with other kits on set. So that's what you missed at NAB 2019 from Teradek. We hope you guys enjoyed everything that we announced here. If you want more information, you can check us out at teradek.com. We'll see you next year.